We are assembling the Mermaid easel card. So I have all the little pieces here laid out. We also have a base piece that fits exactly those pieces. This is an outline piece, and then this is your base. So it's an A2 card. You're just going to fold this in half, and then you're going to fold this up, and that's so that it will sit on the base open. Okay, if you do not want it to be an easel card, just don't fold it on the score line, and you'll glue this piece down flat. Okay, so let's go ahead and pull our mermaid in here. We have two coral pieces. We're going to take the one with the stem to the left. This one goes on behind the boulder. And we're just going to line up our coral. Just like that. Next, you want to put on your rock. And that's going to line up right towards the bottom. And then the other coral piece. And then we're just going to line that up. And as little glue as I put on there, it's still seeping over the edges. So just don't use too much or you'll really make a mess putting that on. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put on the backing here to the face, making sure that this hole is just right where the mouth is. Actually, it lines up perfectly, so you don't have to be too cautious. We'll put a little bit of glue here. And then you're going to take your red oval. You're going to insert that just right in there. And now she has her lips. We'll put her head on. Don't lose your head. I'm going to put the front part of her hair on. And then her tail. And her top. Now I'm going to, even though I'm going to pop her up, I'm going to lay this on. And put just a little bit of glue here. to catch her hair. And I'm lining this up to her hand here on that shows through on the thing. That way I know I've got her lined up correctly. I'm going to take this small piece I had. I've cut all my nails down, so I'm having a difficult time. Actually, several of them have broke, like that one, all the way down super low. It hurts. Okay, so now you can see her hand right here and the curve of her hair. So I'm going to make sure I get that lined up. Here we are. Then I'm going to center this on this background piece. And you just want to center this nicely. Just kind of eyeball it. There we are. Okay, now I'm going to pull in my card base. And this piece you have to pop up with foam dots so that you can get your card to rest behind it. Whoops. So you're going to put this on the inside and you want to put this as close to the bottom as you can get it, and just kind of make sure it's not going over the edges. Now you'll see that this will just tuck right behind it, and what we're going to do is we're just going to apply glue to this bottom part and then glue the card just to that piece. We are. And there is our Mermaid Easel card, which also folds flat. This card is an A2. This, if you want it, is an extra, I almost forgot about it, is an extra embellishment that you can use here. Let me see which way it goes. I think it goes this way. There we are. You'll just want to make sure it doesn't interfere with your card resting there. So there it is, the Mermaid Easel card. Thank you for joining me.